We are using our auto body skills
to help Bright Futures.
Stay tuned to find out more.
Students enrolled in the Auto Body 1 and Auto Body 2 classes at the Dowell J Center have undertaken a project envisioned by Assistant Director of Student Support Services Ben Thompson that will enable the students to improve their skills while supporting Bright Futures-Frederick Winchester. The students are repairing and repainting a van that will eventually be used by Bright Futures for deliveries and community outreach.
It's a plain white van. He wanted to jazz it up a little bit so when the van's going around, people know what it is. And so we're doing a custom paint job on it, 3-tone paint job to match the Bright Futures colors.
My thoughts on working on the Bright Futures project, I was happy to be a part of it. I mean, it feels good to do something in return to the community. So I was all up for it. I saw it and I was like, let's get to it.
When the van was brought to us, it was in running condition. The body was pretty straight. It's a pretty decent van. It originally came from the transportation department. The body work was minimal, but for our students, it was a great learning experience for them to be able to work on it and do the minor body work that it needed.
The project is giving students an opportunity to put the skills they learn inside the classroom to use on a project that is also teaching them about creativity, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and community service.
This experience is extremely valuable to the students. They do a lot of small projects, but now they get to take everything they learn on those small projects and apply them to this extremely large canvas right now. So it's going to be a learning experience. Auto Body 1 kids, they're working on the tear down. They're going to be working on the reassembly once it's painted. The Auto Body 2 kids are more on the refinishing side, so they're prepping it, getting the body work, priming work, sanding, all that done to get it in the booth and get it sprayed. So they're all collaborating just like it would if they were in the real life shop out in the real world.
Well, I've benefited from it, from just being able to get the experience to work more on body work. It helps me kind of get my skills ready to eventually, when I graduate, go out into the workforce and do it professionally, a full-time job. So.
It's preparing me for life after high school. One, as in when I run my career, say I work in a body shop, it's helping me learn how to work on cars, how to fix dents, how to take stuff down, put it back together. And then 2, don't take life for granted, don't be afraid to help back and, always help out somebody. Don't be like, no, I don't want to do that. Just always think of what they're going through and somebody else may need your help, so.